Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account without logging in. If you want to delete an old Facebook account but no longer have access to the password, email, phone number linked to it, there are three methods you can try in 2026. This can be useful if you've lost access to the account or if there's an old or fake profile using your name. So method one is to use a Facebook app or a browser. So first, log into any Facebook account. This can be your current account or one belonging to a trusted friend or family member. Now click the search bar. So search for your old Facebook profile you want to remove and open it. Now tap the three dot on the profile in the top right. Now from here, select report profile. Choose something about this profile, then select fake profile. So select fake profile from the list of options. So even if the account originally belonged to you, this is one of the available ways to report an inaccessible account. So when asked who the profile is pretending to be, just select me, then submit the report. You can also ask friends and family members to report the profile using the same steps. So multiple reports may help Facebook review the account more quickly, especially if it possesses a privacy concern. So click on next. Click on Done. Next, on the same page, so copy the profile link. Next, open a browser and go to Facebook's Help Center. So you can use Chrome or whatever. Then search for Facebook Help Center. So search for Facebook Help Center, click the first one that says Help Center. Now click the three-line menu in the top right. Then from here, click Reporting to expand it and select Reporting Abuse. Then scroll down and select the option related to imposter accounts. Select that. Then from here, scroll down and choose report a Facebook profile or page pretending to be you or something else. So click that. So if prompted, indicate that the available solutions did not resolve your issue. A form or text field may appear where you can explain the situation. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.